Hello, programmers. I'm Yash, sole programmer at planetvearcity, a place where programmers come to learn, build, and grow. Welcome to tutorial series on shell scripting. In this video, we will learn how to use AND operator. So let's get started. First of all, for people who don't know what AND looks like this. This is called and this is a logical operator. So let's begin, and we will start with a pound bang bin bash save and have echo dash e and we'll slash n and copy and paste it at the bottom. And we will be doing a basic example of grading system. We will ask user to enter his or her score, and we will be assigning grade according to their score. So if it's greater than 90, you give them A grade. If it's 75 to 90, you give B, or like, and so on. You get the point, right? So first we will start with the user input dash p and enter your score, and we'll fetch it in a variable, and then we will have our if condition testing it out. So first one is simple. You remember this condition, and of course space before after the square brackets, and we will say score if greater than, I'm going to say 89 so that we account for 90 in the A grade. Just little things. And we will say echo grade A, and we can have colon as well. But here this is where AND operator comes into play. So we will say elif, and of course first we will check for if score is greater than 70. Let's do 74 so that we account for 75 in B grade. And the way you use AND operator is you come here and you do end. So this is a whole separate condition, and this will be another condition. And here we will say dollar score, and this time it's going to be less than 90. So okay, so I think 89 is going to be B. Yep, makes sense. So the way this thing works is this this condition is tested and this is tested as well. If both are true, then the code is evaluated. Otherwise, if either of them is false or both of them are false, it's false all the way. So we will say then, and we'll do echo, and we will assign the grade of B. And then we will also have else statement. Else, for now, let's just keep it like this, and we will say echo grade C and fi to end the if statement. Let's go ahead and test it out. So I'll say clear, it's already clear, and we'll end operator and enter, and let's try 44. Ooh, grade C, it works. Let's try 95. It says grade A. And I think when we try to test grade B, there will be a problem because I just noticed something. So let's try 86, and yep, because we need to give proper spacing. And let's try the B grade again, and let's make it 77, and grade B works fine. We can expand this. Let's have one more else if, and we will make this D, and we will make C. Let's do elif, and so if it's 74, if it's greater than 74, less than 75. Okay, let's do dollar score greater than, let's make it 49 so that we account for 50 in C grade. Okay, and we will say end and do this thing again and say dollar score is less than, we will say 75, and 75 space, then echo grade is C. Okay, let's test it out. So first we will start with 99 and enter. Grade A looks good. And let's test our B grade. So we'll make it 87 and you get a B grade. And let's test our C now. So C is supposed to be 50 through 75 or something. Let's make it 60 and test. Okay, C works fine. And let's test 10 and grade D. So that's one way to use AND operator. There is one more way to use AND operator. You go ahead and remove all this stuff and you will say -A instead of all that stuff. But I personally find this more cleaner and looks pretty good. But when your conditions are like big or something, you might want to use this. But I would still prefer this. So let me save this and test it out again. 99 grade A, 88 grade B. Let's do 60 again, grade C, and 10 again, grade D. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any question or comment, you can post them in the comment section below. Please make sure to support the channel by hitting that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for future videos. I'll see you guys next time.